Hello watcher and subscribers. Now we are in the next tutorial of NumPy and our topic is filtering array. Filtering array means to just filter the data from the existing data, and whatever the condition that we apply, on the basis of that we get the new array from the existing array. So you see here, getting some element out of an existing array and creating new array out of them is called filtering. So we will see practically what is filtering in Python. So here I am in Python editor and we have declared the array, and in this array we have some values, but we don't want all the values. We want the specific value from the existing array. So that is what filtering concept. So we will create new array, and in that array we will take some values from the existing array. So we will use filtering here. So for that, first we will take a new array, and from that existing array I want to extract some values. Like I want to extract first value, so I have written true. Then remaining value I don't want, so I will write false. So this is the new array we have created, and with the boolean value we have specified because I want to extract only the first value out of that 6. And then I'm going to create new array with existing array, and there we will write, we are putting b. And what does it mean? So here what happened exactly, from array A we want specific value, so here we are giving the reference of b, and then we are printing this new copy of array. So now here we will check the output whether filter data is coming or not. So you see we have taken only one value, so that is what filtering. So here I would like to put here again one more case, and on the basis of that I would like to filter the data. So what happened, I will delete this case and I will write here the first array value which should be greater than 43. Got it? So above 43 only two values are there, and this statement will be same. We are extracting the value from A, which is giving, we're taking the reference from B. So now the 44 and 45 output should come. So you see 44 and 45 is coming. So in this way, whatever your criteria is there, you can give it here, and then you can extract the value by specifying this bunch of code. So in this way filter concept will work out, and filtering means to extract the values from that existing array. So that is what filter out, and for that you may specify some condition or criteria. So I hope you understood that filtering concept in NumPy. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.